Hi, I'm Daisy Hawkins. Thank you so much for taking time to stop by my channel to check it out. Those who take time to watch and listen will find fun, short videos of spiritual encouragement, inspiration, and hope. Let me ask you this. Do you ever feel like you read the Bible and your eyes glaze over and you have to reread it to try to understand what you just read? Maybe you have read the Bible your entire life, but never learned the mysteries behind the message. Have you ever wondered why Jesus spoke in parables in the Gospels, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John? When the disciples asked him why he didn't just speak clearly and reveal the meaning, he said he intentionally spoke in parables so that the believers would dig deeper to find the meaning, while unbelievers who weren't ready to hear the truth would basically shake their heads and walk off. Jesus was trying to determine who the believers were that were hungry for more. Well, for the last 4 or 5 years, I have been hungry for more. So God has started teaching me how to find the hidden meanings. It is so fascinating. It's like solving mysteries. From his teaching, he loves giving me short stories to share with you that will help you relate Bible time scriptures to your life today. These videos are intended to help you understand not only how to apply His Word to your life today, but also how to find Him easily in everything you do each day. He wants to teach you how to get in a routine of always including Him. He never leaves us. He's waiting for us to talk to Him, to spend time with Him, to ask Him which step to take next in every situation you encounter. Make sense? Okay, now, my videos are typically no more than 10 minutes unless God has more to say to you on a particular subject. I just follow His lead. You can look forward to new videos most every day. That is my goal anyway. He has so much to tell us that we definitely have plenty of content to share. So I will do the best I can to keep sharing the mysteries with you on a daily basis. Feel free to reach out to me anytime with questions, okay? I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and to share it with others. God bless you. Enjoy.